How to become a data scientist with a BS in data science. Computer science, business analytics, and AI are all combined in the 4-year, full-time BS in data science curriculum. Data scientists use statistics, big data analytics, machine learning, and other related fields as part of their interdisciplinary field of study known as data science to comprehend a problem. Here below are the 4 steps to follow. 1. Sharpen your technical skills. You should be proficient in various data science tools and techniques, such as big data technologies, data-driven predictive model development, multivariate statistics, machine learning, and programming languages like Python, R, SQL, etc. You can take online courses or certifications to learn or update your skills. 2. Develop your workplace skills. You should also have good communication, teamwork, problem-solving, and critical thinking skills to succeed as a data scientist. You can improve these skills by taking part in projects, competitions, hackathons, or workshops that involve working with real-world data and collaborating with others. 3. Build your portfolio and resume. You should showcase your data science projects and achievements on platforms like GitHub, Kaggle, or LinkedIn. You should also create a resume that highlights your education, skills, experience, and accomplishments in data science. You can use online tools or templates to create a professional resume. If you like such stuff, subscribe, like, and share my Itfo. The last and 4th one is to apply for jobs or internships. You should look for opportunities to gain practical experience and exposure in the field of data science. You can search for jobs or internships on online platforms like Indeed, Naukri, or Monster. You should also prepare for the interview process by reviewing common data science questions and practicing your coding and analytical skills.